Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss the topic laws of exponents. In this chapter, we are going to discuss that what are the various laws of exponents. Just let take an example. Here we are having a number 2 to the power 3 and 3 to the power 3. This 2, we call this 2, this is your base, and this is called the power. We also call it as exponents. So no need to get confused. In some books you will find it is as exponents, and in some books this is the power. Now 2 to the power 3 and 3 to the power 3, this gives us 2 multiply 2 3 times, and 3 to the power 3, this gives us 3 multiply 3, and the result is 216. Now let's move to the next example. Here this is 4 to the power 2 and 4 to the power 3. This gives us 4 to the power 2 means 4 multiplied by 4, and 4 to the power 3, 4 multiply 4 and multiply 4. This gives us the result 1024. My dear students, just have a look. This is 2 to the power 3 and 3 to the power 3. Here the two bases 2 and 3, the bases are different. But look here, 4 to the power 2 and 4 to the power 3, both the bases are same. So keep this thing in your mind that here we are having a different basis and here the bases are the same. So what is the difference between both the examples we solved, right? What the difference that I already told to you, just have a look. The first example has different bases with similar exponents, which I already told you, while the second example has the same base but the different exponents, right? So do the value of 4 to the power 2 and 4 to the power 3 is same as 4 to the power 5. Now this is the question in front of you, right? That the value of 4 to the power 2 into 4 to the power 3, right? If we are going to write it as 4 to the power 5, so the answer is same or not, right? So 4 to the power 2, 4 multiplied by 4, and 4 to the power 3, 4 multiply 4 multiply 4, right? So the answer is 1024. Now if we are going to find out the value of 4 to the power 5, so this gives 4 multiplied 4 multiply 4 multiply 4 into 4, and the result is 1024. So here the first law comes, a to the power m. Here the first law comes, a to the power m means this is your base, which I already explained to you, and a to the power n, this is again a base. Here both the bases are same, clear? And now look at the power. Power is m in the first case, and in the second case the power is n. So a to the power m multiplied by a to the power n, this gives us a to the power m plus n. My dear students, just have a look. Both the bases are same and the power we simply multiplied. It means the first law is, when the powers are different and the bases are same, in that case we simply add both the powers. So now a to the power m into a to the power n, just have a look. Base it is same and the power we get add. These are the powers m and n. So a to the power m into a to the power n is equals to a to the power m plus n. Now with that law, the first example which we are going to take, this is 3 to the power 2 just a moment, yeah, this is 3 to the power 2 into 3 to the power 3, right? Here both the bases are same, clear? What the law is? A to the power m into a to the power n, and the law tells that we are going to write base one time and then simply we are going to add the power. So this will become 3, 2 plus 3, and we will get 3 to the power 5, which we will solve as 3 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 3 and multiply 3. So students, the steps are 3 to the power 2 into 3 to the power 3. So 3, which is your base, 2 plus 3. Next step, 3 to the power 5, as I already told you, and the next is 3 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 3, right? We are going to multiply this for 5 times and the result is 243. Thank you, students.